team na nakakikiligan ng bayan, Inigo Pascual and Sofia Andres!
So, welcome here to Pep Talk, Inigo and Sofia.
Thank you.
So,
Thank you for having us.
So, pag-usapan natin yung roles nyo sa Relax at Show's Pag-ibig, Sofia.
Si Sari, ako si Sari dito sa Relax. Isa siyang matapang na babae at naniniwala siya sa true love hanggang sa makilala niya si Josh na si Inigo na
Ako po si Joshua Brillantes dito, 16 years old. Mayabang po siya, hindi naniniwala sa true love. Yun po yung difference ng characters namin. Kaya nung nag-meet kami, parang yun yung
opposite.
story.
First time nyo itong magtrabaho together, right?
Opo.
Paano na-build yung on-screen chemistry ninyo nung ginagawa niyo yung movie?
Paano ba? Bilis kami naging friends agad. I tried to talk to her right away. Then after the first meeting namin nung first workshop, I tried to make a real friendship para pag on-screen din po. Really
Tsaka
real friendship.
nagpabondan kami sa shooting at
Opo.
times.
Tsaka it's good that yung characters po, yung characters tsaka yung actors, same, halos magkakasing edad po kasi. So, we all, magka-vibe po kami lahat.
At saka tama ba, on location kayo sa Leyte?
Opo.
For 1 month yata. 1 month.
1 week.
Ay, 1 week pala.
1 month ba sa Leyte?
30 days?
Sa Leyte?
Pero, so,
Tagal na
kumusta
kasi
yun?
2 years ago. Hindi ko na maalala.
So, kumusta yun? Anong ginagawa nyo kapag in between
In between.
days?
Meron pong one time, naglalaro kami ng basketball, kami tatlo nila Jewel, kasama siya. Tapos, ano pa ba?
Food trip.
Nagpa-party sa tent.
Paano party sa tent?
Nagdadala po siyang speaker.
Okay.
Tapos, party.
Alright. Pero, nakita namin dun sa trailer, na parang may kissing scene.
Opo.
So, paano yun? How was the experience? Kinabahan ba kayo? Ano yung mga, ilang takes yun?
Sofia.
Sofia, yung
Mga 8 takes yan. Binilang ko eh.
8 takes?
Oo.
Oo. Ano, yung preparations, ano?
Nagkailangan ba kayo?
Pero honest, very supportive naman siya.
Ikaw, paano mo naman siya sinuportahan? Kasi syempre, although siya yung atang kumis
Opo.
sa'yo sa...
Siya po. Paano ba? Ang mean ko kasi nun parang, to be honest, parang tinatawanan ko po siya kasi, merong isang time, yung sandbag po, yung stopper, nadapa mo siya. And then she fell on my face. Parang she landed on my face and then, yun po, basta nakakatawa lang po.
So at least medyo na-break na yung eyes yung
Opo.
time na yun.
Yeah.
Hindi na nahirapan na.
Ayun. So first, Sophia, nung nag-umpisa ka, diba, sa mga supporting roles like sa She's Dating the Gangster and Princess and I, anong pakiramdam na ngayon finally meron ka ng lead role sa movie?
Siyempre sobrang happy kasi binigyan na ako ng chance para pakita kung ano yung kaya kong gawin for them. Na blessed din ako siyempre na kasama ko silang dalawa. Na napaka-bait, gentleman, yan, dalawang yan. Siyempre, papasalamat ako kay Cornerstone. Sa Cornerstone, kasi sila talaga yung nag-approve sa akin. Audition ako for this role. Na didn't expect na ako yung makukuha.
Pero balikan lang natin, no? Paano ka ba nag-start sa industry?
Nag-go si po for Star Magic. 13 years old ako. And after that, nabigyan ako ng role na younger sister ni Catherine, ni Ate Catherine Bernardo. Then after 2 years, naging She's Dating the Gangster.
As Athena.
Ayun. Yeah.
So pero, tas nung, si Inigo naman, ikaw, did you audition or were you handpicked for this project?
Kaming dalawa po ni Jewel, parang I went here tapos go see, tapos audition po nila ng mga girls po. Pero parang nag-audition na rin po kami ni Jewel doon. Yeah. But the weird thing was, parang wala nang ibang guys nung time na nag-audition kami. Kami dalawa na lang ni Jewel.
Ayun, so nag-audition ka pa rin? Kasi parang
Opo.
may impression yung iba na you were handpicked for the
Right.
project.
I don't really know. Yeah.
Pero what's your reaction kapag nakakarinig ka ng mga, halimbawa yung mga, I'm not sure if you
Yeah,
see the
opo.
comments on
Yeah,
the
of
internet
course.
at sinasabi nila na, ay, mas napadali for Inigo kasi
Yeah.
anak siya ng artista.
Opo, palagi kong, nung una po, iniisip ko po yun. Pero I learned how to kind of use it as a motivation na I want to prove to them that it's not just because, it might be just because of my name, but I got something to show as well. Na this is what I love to do. And I was blessed enough that I was able to be part of the movie. But it's what I love to do and I take it seriously. Hindi lang po dahil sa name po. Yeah.
Ayun, that's good.
But, kasi parang ang lumalabas, diba, you wanted to pursue singing,
Opo.
ganyan talaga. How is it na acting naman? Ano yung preparations na ginagawa mo?
I do theater naman po sa States. I did theater. Pero I didn't really take any serious acting classes or anything po. So it was a journey. Even now, I'm still learning every day. And yung nag-workshop po kami before the movie, yun lang po. Yeah. And from my dad as well. Like he always gives me tips. And
So
advice.
ano yung mga tips naman na binibigay sa'yo ng dad mo when
Uh,
it comes to acting?
He tells me to slow down kasi pag action na gusto ko mabilis lang matapos yung ano ko, yung parang part ko kasi parang ayoko yung spotlight on me. Parang natatakot ako, parang I'm gonna mess up. Ganun po. So nirarush ko po siya.
So, meron ba siyang advice na binigay sa'yo?
To slow down and really be in the moment.
Yun.
And you really feel the scene. Yun po.
Ikaw, Sophia, ikaw makinabahan ka nung, although this is your second film already, or may kaba pa rin ba na yung paggawa ng pelikula?
Oo naman po, hindi mawawala yung kaba sa akin. Kasi syempre, minsan lang kasi mabigyan ng ano, hindi talagang para sa'yo. Kaya, i-give mo talaga kung ano yung best mo. Ayun.
Sa dami ng love teams ngayon, no? May pressure ba na mas umangat kayo compared dun sa mga iba na ka-generation ninyo?
I think we just have to prove that we've got something different. We've got something special na, na iba sa other love teams. I think that's what we have to find as well and show people.
Pero dun sa mga love teams sa'yo, meron ba kayong nilolook up or parang naiisip nyo na soon gusto nyo maabot yung popularity and yung hype nila with the fans?
Siyempre po, my dad, of course. Love team. Gusto ko po yung dating Jericho Christine love team. I think she looks like Christine. Ano pa ba? Pero po, wala naman po kami, we don't have any hate. We don't have any hate against any love teams na ka-age namin. We support them and, there's nothing, we don't have anything against them po. Yeah.
Si Sophia, ikaw, meron ka bang feeling mo na katapat nyo or kabay? Or
Iba
gusto
naman
nyo?
kasi talaga depende kung paano tatanggapin ng tao. Ayun. Pero tinitry namin yung best namin para maging...
Friends kayo with other lovers like si Katniel or Enrique, Laila?
Yeah.
Opo.
Friends yan. Liz Gan.
Liz Ken and JD.
JD na.
So, ito, meron bang pressure na maging anak ng ultimate heartthrob na si Piolo Pascual? But, before you answer that, sasagutin niya ni Inigo sa pagbabalik ng Relax, It's Just Pep Talk.
Siyempre naman po nandun po yung pressure palagi since I'm his son. Pero I want to be able to show like my own talents as well, my own style.